Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see how to solve this problem. So now let us start first from the left hand side, this part first. So from that we have to see first concentrate on the denominator. So the numerator is going to be as it is. The denominator now we can see here, this is 5 minus 5 by 3. So what we can do, we can take the LCM here, that will be 3. So that is going to be 15 minus 5 by 3. That is going to be 10 by 3. So we can write here 10 by 3 for this part. So now, now let us keep the division sign here as it is. So now let us solve this numerator first. So from this numerator, again from this one, you have to look at this part. So this and this is going to be the same. So what is that going to be? 4 minus 1 by 2. So again you will take the LCM of that part. So that is going to be 8 minus 1 by 2. That is going to be 7 by 2. So now let us write here this 4 minus 2 by 7 by 2. And again now look at here, 5 minus 3 by 2. So we'll take the LCM of this one. So this is going to be 5 to the 10. 10 minus 3, that is going to be 7 by 2. So we'll write here divided by 7 by 2. So now here minus 2 by 5 of. Now let us solve this first from the bracket one. And then we will see what is here on the left hand side. So now, so this is going to be 6 by 9 we'll write as it is, plus as it is this one. Because now this part is off. So that means 2 by 3 of means multiplication into 1 by 2. So that is going to be this and this will get cancelled. So that is going to be 1 by 3. So this is going to be 1 by 3 for this part. Because this off is multiplication. So this and this gets cancelled. So now what will you do here? Now let us go on this side again. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. So numerator is going to be as it is and this denominator is going to get flip over. That means 3 will go in the numerator, 10 will go in the remain in the denominator. So we'll write here 6 into 3 by 10. Again this division sign will keep as it is. So now what will you do here? Look at this part. From this one 4 will keep as it is, but we'll solve this first. So now let us write 4 as it is. And this one 2 divided by 7 by 2. So 2 is in the numerator and 7 by 2 is in the denominator. You should see what is in the numerator and what is in the denominator. Then it's easy to solve. So 2 will remain as it is and this will get flip over. So this will be 2 into 2 by 7. So we can write here 2 into 2 by 7 and divided by 7 by 2 will keep as it is. Minus here 2 by 5 of. Now let us solve this bracket first. Now can you see this is a plus sign in between. So what are you going to do? 6 by 9 plus 1 by 3. So you are going to multiply by 3 because the LCM is 9. So what will you get here? 6 plus 3, that is going to be 9 by 9. So either you write this step or you can write your 9 by 9 means that is going to be 1. So we can write directly 1, but you have to do this rough work. So this we'll do here, not write directly. So this is going to be 1. Otherwise you can write one step over there. So now what will you do here? This will be 9. This will be 18 and this is going to be 10. So what you can do, one thing over here, So this is going to be 2 3s are and 2 5s are. We can simplify this one. So we can write this 9 by 5. So we'll write here 9 by 5 divided by, now here we can write here for this part, 4 minus 4 by 7. Let us write this step first. 4 minus 4 by 7. And the denominator is the same, that is 7 by 2. Here we'll write here minus 2 by 5. Now see here, when we write here 2 by 5 of 1, 2 by of means always that is multiplication. So that is going to be 2 by 5 only. So this is what I have written, 2 by 5. So now we will see here, this will be 9 by 5 divided by, now we'll solve this part, 4 minus 4 by 7. So here, this is going to be, the LCM is going to be 7. So we are going to multiply this by 7. So 28 minus 4, 28 minus 4 by 7, that is going to be 24 by 7. So let us write in the numerator first, 24 by 7. And this, the denominator 7 by 2, let us keep as it is first. And this minus 2 by 5. So this will be 9 by 5 divided by, now see here, we are going to see here first, what is this going to be? This is going to be 24 by 7 and this will get flip over. So that will be 2 by 7. So this will be, we cannot do anything, that will be 48 by 49. So we'll write here 48 by 49 because we cannot simplify this one. But we have to multiply, see, even if there is 7 here, but this is a multiplication, so we have to multiply this 7. If there is plus or minus sign over here, means we are just going to write 7, but this you have to multiply. So that will be 48 by 49. So let me write here 48 by 49. Divide here, sorry, this is going to be 2 by 5. So now here, what will you do? Now, whenever there is a division sign here, so this is the left hand side, and this is the division sign, and this is the right hand side. So always the left hand side is going to be the same. So we'll write here 9 by 5 as it is, and this will be multiplication. This division is going to be multiplied, but since we have multiplied, this means this is going to get flip over. So this will be 49 divided by 48, and this minus 2 by 5 as it is. So now what will you do here? So we can try to simplify this one. So let us see whether we can simplify this. So this goes with, so we can write this one 48 divided by 3. So this is going to be 48 divided by 3. So this is going to be 3 ones are 3, and this is going to be 18. So this is going to be 16, and this is going to be 3. So both go, we can write this one 3 3s are and 3 16s are. Further, we cannot do anything here. So we have to write here 49 into 3. That is going to be 27, and 12, 147 divided by, so we'll write here 147 divided by 16 5s are. This one is going to be 80. And this minus 2 by 5. So now what will you do here? Again, now what you can see here, the denominators are different because this is a minus sign. So here the LCM is going to be 80. So 16 5s are 80. So this also should be 16. So now let us write that step. 147 by 80 minus 2 by 5 into 16 into 16. So what is that going to be? 147 by 80, that is minus 32 by 80. So it should be 147 minus 32 by 80. So what should be the answer? 147 minus 32. So that will be 115 divided by 80. So that is 115 divided by 80. And this, since it is an improper fraction, we can simplify it further. We can write here 115 divided by 80. So this is going to be 80 ones are 80. So this is one integer 35 by 80. So now let us write here one integer 35 by 80. So now we can do it further. We can simplify this one as 5 sevens are and 5 16s are. So your answer should be 7 by 16. So this is the answer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.